stuck staring at a blank screen? Meet your new writing partner, QuillBot's free AI chat. Whether you need to brainstorm ideas, draft an email, plan a trip, or get quick advice, QuillBot's AI chat helps you do it faster and better. It's more than a chatbot, it's a creative engine, research assistant, and productivity booster all in one. Type a question, follow up with more detail, and watch your ideas come to life in real time. There's no limit to what you can create. And the best part? It's completely free and ad-free, so you can focus on your work without distractions. Ready to save time and spark new ideas? Try QuillBot's AI chat today and turn inspiration into action.